Welcome to Suffer Like a Marketer. I'm Stephen Hobey. Today I will be exploring what are content managers and how to become one. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't go away. With the multitude of platforms we have to deal with, from website to your social media to e-blasts, content managers are becoming more and more in demand. So, what are content managers? Well, content managers are the people that understand your brand the best. They have a deep understanding of your company's brand voice and use it to communicate with customers. This involves disseminating messages at the right time on the right platforms to engage with current and potential customers. Now, typically, this is not an entry-level role. Usually, this person has several years marketing experience and project management, as well as a deep understanding of the various communications platforms. So, what do content managers do? Well, this depends on the type of business or nonprofit they work for, as well as the size of that organization. They develop content topics and campaigns to be disseminated over the company's website and social media profiles. Scheduling is also key to this. So they understand what is the right time for certain content. When are your customers most receptive? The content manager might develop an editorial calendar along with a content topic strategy. They are usually also responsible for statistical tracking on how those posts are performing. And finally, while posting shorter content, they may be creating long-form editorial pieces. So the best content managers craft and adapt their role to best suit the organization they work for. So that's the what. Now now the how. So how can you become a content manager? Well, first off, I suggest you get familiar with SEO. Now, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the process of improving the quality and quantity of the website traffic to a website or a web page from search engines. Now, of course, there's more to it than that, and it's quite the art form if you can get it right. But it is an important aspect of being a content manager. You want to create content that is appropriately targeted to certain demographics. Content that resonates and serves your audience's needs. And then, of course, track results and adjust your messaging as needed. You may wish to apply for an entry-level marketing role. As I mentioned, typically content managers are more mid-level, so start with something entry-level. And there are many types of marketing roles in organizations. Possibly you might handle the digital aspects of programming and scheduling posts on social. Maybe design is your thing, where you take pre-written text and create social graphics. You may be responsible for creating a content calendar and keeping this up to date. The key here is that you learn as much as you can about all the different aspects of marketing from within the organization. So I say spend a couple of years really learning the ropes, so that when the right time comes along, you can apply to become a content manager. Finally, take the leap and apply for that role. Once you have enough experience under your belt, it's time to move into content management. So you may be leading, in this case, a team or flying solo, but you will be responsible for the strategic aspects of message dissemination. So remember again that statistical tracking is key. Whether it's content reach, organic traffic, or other engagement metrics, these metrics are the measure of success. Now, as I mentioned, content managers are brand advocates and are, in essence, storytellers. It's a balance between the art form of creative writing and the analytical skills to interpret data and adapt. Now, if you are completely new to all of this, what I highly recommend is that you start a blog. Choose a topic that means something to you and think about how this may benefit your readers. Cultivate a brand for the blog with a catchy name and graphics. Plan out a writing schedule over a 12-month period. This will serve you not only to get your creativity flowing, but can also serve as a great portfolio piece to show potential employers. It also shows that you have the stamina to stick with the blog over the long term. You can show prospective employers statistics of how well that blog is going and the strategy behind it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, yes, hit that subscribe button. You can also catch me on Instagram and Facebook for extra content, and you never miss an episode. Links are below. I will see you every week with a new video, so please stay tuned, and together, let's solve it like a marketer.